Hello, hey. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Happy Monday times. How you doing? How's your day? How's your week, guys? Good morning. Welcome. Welcome, chaff. What a happy time to sit above 24,000 in Nasdaq. Hey. Ready to get started. Let your community know about our live stream. Let your friends know about your live stream. We're ready to fly. Two giveaways are scheduled for today. A lot of the stuff happening here. Market is breaking above. Good morning. How you doing, chat? How's it going? Like the video. Let's get started. Let's get started on those numbers. Thank you, by the way, for joining. We're off to an interesting moment out here with the Ticktick Trader 5 accounts that I'm connected with right now. Have a look into that. We got 2 points. We got 2 days, 1,500. On Thursday and Friday, we had 2,400. So we got the max loss stopped at our original balance, $100,000, and now we're having 3,900 maximum loss distance. I've set my overall max loss to 1,500. I don't want to go below that. That's my max loss in a day, guys.
Order filled.
And I'm looking at the market here.
Order filled.
Might be ready to give me that few points to the upside. I'm ready for celebration time. Let's go, guys. Oh. We have wicked into 174. 2 ticks below my target. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good evening. Good morning.
Order filled.
Oh. Oops. We were so close for the take profit right there. We were extremely close to that take profit, 2 ticks away. Now this is extremely close today. What a powerful sell-off here without any zigzag at the top. For the moment, I'm gonna get into you know, 1,500 is our maximum loss that we can have. But that was extremely close, 2 ticks away from my target. I can lower my exit right now. It's not looking good. We've missed our exit with a few points. And now the whole thing turned quite aggressively. Watching for a barcode pattern here, right? Usually you get this barcode before the market reverses, so might be the choice of the day. This 5-minute is no, we're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, $50.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out there. Nah. What a bad situation. 2 ticks away, so we got shot. 2 ticks away, we missed the exit. We missed the target by that and completely reversed. That's the unfortunate moment when you're dealing with the tops. That's the unfortunate moment when you're dealing with the tops. We do have buffer 2,200 left in the account, but that's not the idea, of course. This is going back up, guys.
Order filled.
Still expecting that bar pattern. Welcome, good morning everyone. Great to see you. Great to see you.
Order filled. Order filled.
Good morning. Welcome, guys. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let me get my Tap 1 futures connected as well on a copy trader. So we're gonna connect these 2 accounts. You know, these are Ignite accounts from the Tap 1 futures. where we got the targets for 2 days. We only got to do 500 bucks.
Order
without
filled.
giving away 1,000. If I'm not wrong, that's the max loss right there. 1,000 is the daily max loss. You got to do your 500 bucks. Forcing my longs. Good morning, everyone. Welcome.
Order filled.
Pretty much forcing the longs. They've been working quite nicely during the whole day so far. Let's go, guys. Come on. Just a little more and we get to our target here, the 3rd day in a row for the Ignite accounts.
Order filled.
$5 points needed. Looks like a good chance here within the upcoming green candle expected. Come on. 3 points needed. Next candle should deliver that. There you go.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched, $491. That's fine. We got the 3rd day here for the Ignite accounts. And we're going to do some celebration for that. Certainly does. Because 2 more days are needed like this and we're good to go for the payout. And this is copy traded on 2 accounts. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, that's fine. That's a good celebration right there. Finally. How's it going here? Quickly recovering back for our Ticktick trader trade. Our entry is pretty high here. Not the most excited about it. I'm going to cut it away quite earlier. Now, this is the case scenario with this copy traded 2 accounts. 2 more days like this and we're good to go for the payout. And then we have the other 4 where we only have a single day, but that's profitable too. So we're going to connect them right now. Save the changes. This is a perfect retest.
Order filled.
$10 days to pay out, but you can do flipping if you are achieving your target and your equity stability score. You can do flipping for the rest of the days. You definitely need 10 days, but you can make $3 or $4 in the rest of the days, right? That's the good part about it. You know, it's taking that time of 10 days away. But still, it's just about, I mean, it's 500 bucks a day. And you're fine with that. If you want to go to your target of 2,000, you got to do 2,500. That's all you have to do. So it's up to you in the way you do it. You make 500 bucks daily or you make less. You should not make more because then you increase the maximum target. Instead of 2,500, you're going to bring it higher. And you don't want that to make unnecessary money is not needed. And with prop firms, that risk exists. I don't like this for my Ticktick account here. I'm gonna close this trade quite soon. We don't have the max loss at 1,500 on this one. This is an interesting spot to have a little DCA. I'm risking a little more. Adding to this one over
Order
here as
filled.
well. 4 contracts. Could be a nice run from here. Gotta take my target down. 525 is good for the exit. Look at that lovely buyback. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, these are the first Ignite accounts that I got. We just got them for about... since Thursday or Wednesday. That was their launch time. So... it's not looking complicated as of now. Trading this type of accounts where the targets are low at 500 bucks. Even with a Ticktick trader, guys, the target at 500 is really comfortable. And because you have no consistency, then you can actually allow your traders to run higher. But also there is a risk behind no consistency of over trading. So making that 500, a lot of people will not stop and continue. So at the end of the day, they might get into a spiral of losses, giving away all the profit, giving away their profit score, giving away their target, and eventually reaching to a loss because of the freedom that no consistency gives you that you cannot handle. So there is a risk behind that as well. I'm sure the companies know that people overtrade when they're not limited with a consistency. There is an advantage with that, but there's also a disadvantage if you are doing it wrong, and there's certainly people doing that. We had a really good previous candle, not the one that just closed, that green one right there with the buying pressure. And then the red one here is certainly... there should be some temporary support appearing at this point, around the 40s, 45. With a previous high representation, there should be something holding us. BTC dumped as well, about $2,000. Cryptocurrencies have decreased in the meantime. They're waiting for the FOMC. That's what they're doing. So they're gonna play with the liquidity quite a lot. You just want to be extremely careful this week trading cryptocurrencies. Make sure to like the video, guys. We've got 2 giveaways ready to fly. I care about this 5-minute candlestick that opens to be nicely green, at least close above 50s. That would be very good, right? So this 5-minute that we are just doing right now, this one closing it above 50s is going to be pretty good for a continuation. Adding one more
Order
contract
filled.
here.
Order
Over
filled.
here too, I added one more on my Ticktick. So I'm long on both sides. 5 contracts on the Ignite Tap 1 futures. Maximum contracts allowed. 5 minis. Looks like the 1 minute has a decent chance of holding through, and just a couple of points to the upside, not looking for anything wild, is pretty much sufficient, let alone the fact that when we are getting to the 52 moving break even. So come on, we need some pressure right now, guys. 2 green candlestick in a row on top of the current one is going to give us a good opportunity. Looked like a good spot. Beautiful, even on 5 minutes. On Ticktick, it looks fine too. Bringing my target down exactly where it has to be on the 500s. Shouldn't make more than that. $52 for my exit, guys. That's really good. And we're going to have the second day for this 4 accounts, so then Ignite is going to run nicely. Yeah, we can go to the lows. I don't mind that. I'm just going basically for any trailing, hunting, bouncings for liquidities, right? Which is usually I'm targeting 4 or 5 points in this kind of trades. I'm not looking for any significant 60 points trades out here. Certainly that's not the environment and that's not the style I have. 2 more points needed, guys. We might be able to do it. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Also, join our Discord for those of you that are not already members. That's the Discord link there. You gotta be here on the live stream for the giveaway. Pretty close to the target. Pretty close. Come on. For the Ticktick trader, there is a little more to go. But out here for the top 1 futures, we are 1 point away.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. We touched the target out here as well. That's great. So we got all the Ignite accounts traded profitable. 6 out of 6 we got to our target of 500 bucks. And that's the fireworks right there. Boom, everyone. Hey. This has been going pretty nicely so far. Let's have a look into my Ticktick situation. I'm gonna get out of this at 540s. And you certainly know why. 580s, because my entry is not good. My entry is too high. Thank you, guys. The entry I got here is too high, basically.
Order filled.
Adding 2 more contracts, you know, I don't mind. Looking for a little push above. Will it just fully reverse from here and I get burned? I don't think so. I think this is going higher. But for the moment, so we traded all the 6 Ignite accounts. I like to set up a new copy trading with my top 1 futures. Two instant funding accounts, end of the day drawdown.
Order filled.
Let's go. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more contract here. Doing the same. Nah. I'm maxed out here on the Ticktick.
Order
One
filled.
more here on the top 1. We need to make about $1,800 here. That's my target here on this account. 1,800.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more here. Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome guys. Great to see you. 6 out of 6 Ignite accounts on Top 1 Futures traded successfully. For 2 of them, we actually have 3 points. Ticktick Trader, one of the groups of 5 copy traded, got to the $1,500 stop loss. But that one had 3,900 max loss, so we still have about 2,200 from what I've been able to see. 2,200. And the current one is still down in minus $340, but we're looking for a higher move in this instance. If this level holds, we can nicely get into the 60s. So I'm gonna hold my position for the moment. Hey, great to see you guys. Appreciate it. We're building, constructing, developing. If we don't get rejected here, and that would be my desire, you know what happens when you trade with if. If we don't, if we do. Look at that. I mean, it still looks strong, so I'm not worried about it. I'm just worried how strong could it get above 57 if it has the fuel for the 64. That's the only question. I don't want to see a wick and the market's turning back, which is a big chance. The question is, where is that wick going to appear? Beautiful, come on. You don't want to get stuck there. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Thank you for joining. Make sure to present the live stream to all your community members, pretty much everywhere you guys are. Friends, brothers, sisters, whatever you got out there. Join us on board. We got a good time together. And the market is running. So the question comes in, where do we wick? Where do we create that shadow? Wow, look at that. The take profit is almost there. I'm putting the break even. I'm putting the break even. This is not looking good, guys. What a... You know, I'm gonna set a stop loss over here too on break even. But this powerful 1 minute rejection is silly. Nah, it's going. Therefore, my take profit is increasing here on the Ticktick Trader. And then on Top 1 Futures, I cannot increase it because of the consistency. 1,800 is going to be sufficient, not to worry about. It's the max needed. The beautiful part about a Ticktick Trader accounts is you can run them without consistency. Look at that, guys.
Order
and
filled.
We touched the target on the Ticktick Trader, and I am sure we touched the target. We didn't yet, but we're about to touch this. I sold 5
Order
contracts.
filled.
I don't care, guys. It's
Order
over.
filled.
1,732 on the Top 1 Futures too. So we've made 1,600, 1,700 plus the 6 Ignites accounts. There you go. Clap your hands. That's how to get started on a happy Monday times and get the motivation going. Boom. Wow. There you go, gentlemen. There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it. We are on fire. Let's see what we made today. We made today here sufficient on the top one. This is the first day here. It's the first day. But I care about this Ticktick. You know, I love Ticktick. And I love making more than I... You know, we have 3,085. It's the third point achieved. We're above the 3,000 max loss, right? So we're gonna build a buffer here. We got 3 points. Look at that. That's not bad. 3 points and 3,000. The code is Scrambo. It's working. You get a maximum discount. If you have any other issue, let me know about. We can help you. Right, but look at the Ignite accounts. 3 days have been touched. We have a nice distance to max loss. 2 more days are needed here and we're good to go. This one right here, what I had a loss today. We made a lot of the money on Thursday and Friday. I wouldn't say we afford having a loss, because I don't like saying that. Oh, it's not working anymore because the promotion do not exist anymore. I am from Hungary. That's the place I born, but I've been traveling throughout my childhood. So the promotion might no longer be existing with that. You got the email yesterday. For the first time. Might be for the first time buyers only. If you're not a first time customer, might not work for you. I think it's only for the first time customers. I know. We got this one back into 170s nicely. So I've been longing this movement down, knowing that we're gonna get back. Market is pretty bullish, and we made the money. Yeah. If you want a quicker response, then direct message me your support ticket on my Discord, and I can reach out for you for a quicker response. So we got 6 Ignite accounts in profit today, plus 2 more instant funded. That's 8 accounts. 8 out of 8 on top 1 futures. 5 for Ticktick Trader. That makes it for 13. And then 5 on daily max loss. Those are the stats for today. So 13. Account stats. That's what we got for today. Right. For today. We're gonna transparently know our community about it. That's what we got today. It's switching automatically on Project X. Thank you guys. Good morning. Automatically it's switching for you on Project X. You don't have to roll over here. Good morning, guys. So, looking to see if there is a little more to push here on this 5 accounts. A reason for that is pretty much simple. Whatever I got at least on 500 bucks, I'm gonna get my profit score. Whatever is above that is extra buffer. Not gonna get more points for that. So if I lose as low into my 500s, I am fine if I don't lose below, right? Which means I have $1,100 buffer here to play with. I'm trying to make a little more. So if I see an opportunity, I'd like to take it. Especially on Ticktick Trader, you can do micro scalping. You can buy and sell pretty much quickly. Yeah, the contracts. See if I can make some extra money here. We're above the point. Not an issue if I am risking additional. Not risking that point. Not gonna risk it. 3 points will certainly be secured. I think we're gonna wick above, guys.
Order filled.
You know, I'm playing risky games here at the top. I think we're gonna wick above the previous high. We might reverse afterwards. I don't care, but I think we're gonna wick above. So I'm playing some risky games here at the top. Longing the very top. Because I'm going for an extremely minimal target on the structure and we're fine for the moment. Stop loss on my exit.
Order filled.
You know, we got to touch that. I don't mind. We're fine with it. Everything's been smooth. Certainly enjoyed all the minutes. Just like I do even during any day, guys. There's no difference. Look at that. It actually pumped to my previous target. So there's no difference for me between a Monday and a Saturday. Certainly no difference. I actually like all the business days much more than the weekends. I'm actually waiting for Monday much more than any Friday or Saturday. Certainly not. I'm waiting for Mondays, not for Saturdays. Now here, it's pretty much unstoppable. Right, so you don't know what to do if you're asking me at this point. That's beautiful. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We got 2 giveaways. They're pretty big. 75 grand. And we're gonna enjoy. FOMC week. Like whatever selling pressure we get here is extremely non-dominant and looks like a trap. But you know, I'm not touching anything for the moment. Might get into a long on the 60s. If we get a quick flush into the 60s, I'd like to enjoy a long from there. How do you enter the giveaway? By simply staying on the live stream after the New York opening, the giveaway starts. In the meantime, you have to like the video, be subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, with trading, education, and giveaways daily. Yep. Giveaway starts in about 30-35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. Something around that, 40 minutes maybe. We're not going to do the giveaway right after the opening. Maybe 10-15 minutes after. I'd like to see if I can do a little trading here. We got this buffer of 1,100. You know, it is FOMC week, so the markets should get dirty about it. Hey, pump and dump, right? The moment you press the green button, that's the time it drops, vice versa. The key difference on the Ticktick trader was there's big differences. The number one thing is that the straight to funded plus is having a system of a profit score. The profit score where you have to make 10 points. So you got to make points. That's what you got to do to make money. Each point means 0.5% of the original balance. So $500 for the 100K. That's what I suggest you. Right, so you got to do 10 times 500 bucks. On top of that, the straight to funded plus has no consistency. I'm going to share with you the link here, guys, for those of you that would like to see. No consistency for the prop firms is amazing. You can let your winners run, build buffer, and enjoy. On top of that, you can have a lot of the active accounts, 10, simultaneously. That's beautiful. The second payout comes out at 7 profit score, 7 points. There is no daily loss limit right now. The add-on is free right now, which is usually costing money. The drawdown is end of the day. Compared to the straight to funded, the original ones, which are pretty expensive right now, the 150K is about $600, so it's more expensive right now. You got a consistency right there. You have maximum 3 accounts. Of course, you have a bigger daily loss, but you also have to make more per day. The payout target is much higher. It's sitting around 6%. So I've been trading since the straight to funded plus type of accounts with a profit score, just like the majority of our community members. We've been trading the straight to funded plus. This is an absolute game changer. Yeah, Ticktick Trader right now pays in about 48 hours after your request, and the big business with this Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus quantum is for the live trading. My weekend was really good, as usually. Just like a normal day. No difference between a business day, guys. Certainly no difference. Beautiful, quantum. Enjoy your day, enjoy your trading. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Hey, like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We got plenty of time. Join our Discord. Testing out a little short here
Order filled.
with a stop loss above 135 loss. Nah, we're not going down.
Order filled.
No, we're not going down. Thought about 67 or something like that, but we're not going down.
Order filled.
What about once again? Break contracts. Take this one back here in the choppiness. 169. Stop loss and break even. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
That's good. We almost made our money back with 30 bucks less. That's great, 4 points. That's a good one. Thank you, buddy. And there's also the Savius accounts worth having a look into. Here's the link, guys. You have to be in our community, so you have to sign up from this link. Otherwise, you're not able to see this type of accounts in your dashboard. This is not publicly officially visible to, you know, on their sales page, right? So the Tomcat, all the prices here have 60% off, right? So the Tomcat 150 grand is $256. And you get a payout of 2,700 by making only 5% on your target. But you got to keep in mind the daily loss limit is a hard breach. So you don't want to touch your daily loss limit at 2,000. It's a hard breach. In order not to touch that, you have to set a stop loss at 1,600. 1,600 or 1,700. Right? You want to set a stop loss there. And then you got no issue with the hard breach. Nobody cares it's a hard breach anymore when you set a stop loss right before. But this accounts from the Savius, which are exclusively dedicated for our community. Maximum 3 active. I mean, 256 for a payout of 2,700 is almost 11 times. And the payout is at 5% from the account size. Max loss at 6,000. The thing is, you don't have Project X. You gotta trade basically with Quantower, which is something I'm going to trade quite soon, this kind of accounts. I'm going to trade them soon, guys. Savius is going to have a giveaway, and I will talk about it. I'm going to introduce it to you guys. I think they will do a $500,000 accounts giveaway. I'm going to speak to you about it as soon as I have more information. And I'm going to introduce that with you. Yes, I am live daily at 8 a.m. EST time from Monday to Friday. That's our usual schedule. Exceptions sometimes happen, but that's the schedule. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and like the video. Come on. FOMC week is definitely not easy to trade. So lower your sizes. That's the number one thing you gotta do. Lower your sizes. Better protect instead of feeling sorry about it. If you don't lower, you need to know you're exposing yourself to an additional risk environment, which most of the time has price action movements that are not predictable. So be careful. This thing might cost you more than benefit you. There's some people that are, you know, not trading at the opening or stuff like that. They're trading pre-markets like I'm doing. Like 99% of my trades, as you can see, we have finished with Ticktick Trader and Tap 1 futures. We have finished. We only have to trade Savius account on Quant Tower. But I've traded everything in the first, what was that? It was about 35-40 minutes since we started on pre-market. Look at that, 3 wicks right there.
Order filled.
I think we're going to push into this level. 180 profit, 177, watch that. Let's see if we can take the top of this range. You know, as soon as we climb a little higher, I'm going to go break even as usual. This is definitely not a level to risk. We're at the top here. I'm just looking for an exit internally within this range. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we have a lot of educational materials with other prop firms as well. And then the daily live stream. Join our Discord, guys. Don't forget about it.
Order filled.
Oh. Looks like we're catching fire. No more zigzag and barcode at the top. We did a couple of times, and just about I got into my trade, we've stopped it. It's not an easy job getting back to my levels right now, but let's see what does the market could skim. Live from 8 a.m. usually to 10. Look at that, 30 price action. 30 price action. Good morning, guys. 30 price action. Let's see what we can do. Oh. I sold
Order
the contract.
filled. Order
And another
filled.
one. Basically sold 2 contracts. Market wants higher. Accepted $100 loss, not an issue. Now, I also short, but most of the time when the market structure sits like that, Certainly I'm searching to long it. Yeah, an unexpected powerful reversal for that 1 minute. Could DCA here, but I'm not touching it for the moment. I think I'm gonna DCA into 65 if we get a chance for that. Or even lower. Limit order on 65. I don't know if we get that chance. I'm looking for DCing a little higher right now in the 70s. We
Order
got a limit
filled.
order. Has been triggered. That's fine. This is a promising situation, guys. I trade 5 minutes and 1 minute, but I do my technicals in 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and a lot of the price action in technicals on pre-market and pre-live stream, right? Clean price action most of the time with momentum trading on trendings, horizontal structure, supply, demand. We also use the openings, EMAs, volume weighted average prices. But then the execution is happening basically on price action. This is a pretty promising situation with an extension possibility. Let's see what we get out of it. If we don't get stuck here, 72 is a level that was having a form of meaning. This could actually get into my 78 target. Would love to see that. Time frame, the execution happens in 1 minute. So what you see here for the Project X, this is 1 minute. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. Streaming from Monday to Friday with giveaways, tradings, and a lot of the stuff. This is still having fuel, guys. It's not looking bad. Come on. Bring it back into 76. We had a form of struggle. Well, you see the 5-minute structure we got here right before the opening is very interesting. Let me see what's the all-time high. And we're going all-time high. We're building from all-time high to all-time high. So we're opening right before the all-time high. Thank you. Yeah, 1 minute. I have a lot of experience on the price action, a lot of experience. So this thing's been watching for years. But I've been watching for years the charts and the candlesticks for the swing trading that I do, because that's my bread and butter. I'm a crypto buyer in 2014 Bitcoin. And I've been trading that on spot, swing trades based on price action a lot. You see, we need a rejection here in this candlestick. We just cannot let a flat opening like that. Come on, do it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are the market makers listening once again? And in this case scenario, the way this whole thing looks like, if it reverses, it's a problem. We gotta put the break even, right? It's a reverse. I don't want to be into. So we're setting the break even and we're letting the markets run for the upside. Let's see what we can do. We might catch a pretty good trade here, so right before the opening, you never know. I got 1,500 secured. You know, I'm gonna let this one go for a higher target. Let's see, guys. No, we don't have a flag here. On 1 minute, we don't have a flag. Welcome, New Jersey. Enjoy your time. We are pretty good on the stats today. All the 6 accounts on Top 1 Futures, all the Ignite accounts made a total profit. We also traded 2 instant funded on end of the day, 1,700 both, because we were copy trading. And then here on Ticktick Trader, very
Order
important.
filled.
Oh, we got stopped out there on some volatility. Break even. You see, that's why I put it, guys. I told you. If that comes back, I need to be out at that level. Look at that. The market is getting angry. Yeah, we were extremely tight with the break even, obviously. Extremely small chances not to hit that, right? You get wiped out by the noise. 5 minutes to go, and we have the opening bell. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time with giveaways on the live stream. All the giveaways. Look at that 170s, but I don't want to get into anything right now. I'd like some more data. This is uncertainty, guys, for me. In the way this whole thing looks like, especially before the opening, it's uncertainty. They can do this and then run all-time high. Or they can do this and then run all-time high afterwards, right? They can do whatever they want from this situation. Right, so in terms of whatever they want, it's still making sense for them. Giveaway happens a little bit later, in about 15 to 20 minutes. I still want to trade this account. I'd like to see if I can make more. I can have a loss as long as I have a $500 profit I can give away, because I'm still having 25K accounts. The 25K, probably the top on futures new accounts, $89, Ignite. And this is, you know, this is instant funded, right? So you get instant funded at 89 bucks for the Ignite accounts. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBO. Here's the link, guys, for those of you that like to see. Top 1 futures, 25,000 Ignite accounts. 89 bucks with my code SCRAMBO. That's crazy. Yeah, that's why, because it's at the all-time high. You know, it can happen. Certainly, I'm certain there is no strong probability one way or the other. While sometimes we do have probabilities that are great for one side or the other, but in this case scenario is not. Getting ready for my Quant Tower, for my Savius. You see.
Order filled.
Oops, look at that, guys. Putting my stop loss on break even. Look at this one, guys. Come on. And setting up a limit order. We just got into that trade right before it pumped. I felt that 1 minute candlestick is good. And we just got into that trade right before it pumped. So I'm going break even and I'm waiting. I'm letting this one run. 1,400 would be lovely. Right below the 200s. You never know at the opening what you get, right? We have sniped that entry. There is no challenge for such accounts. Everything that I trade has no challenge. It's all instant funded, everything that I trade. Now, what a good entry here, and 1 minute to go and the market opens. No, the Ignite accounts are having end of the day drawdown, guys. Not intraday. End of the day drawdown. Not the same as Simpro. But the 50k is a great deal right there. Come on. 30 seconds to go. The problem is our stop loss and break-even is so close to us that any noise of liquidity can wipe us out. Tap on futures. Here's the link. 3 seconds.
Order filled.
There you go. Of course, we touch the break even, then it runs. Look at that, guys. There you go. Break even, and then it runs. Watch that. This is what happens when you're tight. It should have went to my target. Look at that, guys. What a dirty move by the market makers. And of course, I wanted to risk nothing. The 25k, you gotta make 5% basically for the payout. So you gotta make 1,250 bucks. Respecting the 20% equity stability score, that's pretty much it. Max loss per day is $1,000, 500, and the trailing is 1,000 for the 25k.
Order
Let me
filled.
quickly try to scalp something.
Order
out.
filled.
I got out a little early. Wow. What's wrong with this, guys? Look at that.
Order filled.
It's fighting at the top here. You know, it's price discovery, right? I'm
Order
out.
filled.
We made 200 bucks. Let's see how much we can scalp like this. It's a good push. Trading above 200s for Nasdaq. Look at that. S&P above 6,600s, gentlemen. Nvidia opening in the lows. But I care about the Russell 2000 as well. I have a video. You want to see my last video? Let me share with you. Let me share with you the link for the Ignite accounts, which are very cheap and they're instant funding, right? Let me share with you the links. Thank you guys for joining. Here's the link for the Ignite accounts. Full explanation. Looks beautiful. Keep going down because I'm ready to long this. I wanted this a little bit lower. I wanted this around 175, 176. I don't know if I get this.
Order filled.
I've shorted a little bit, guys. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
We lost $25. Welcome. Not a good idea shorting it.
Order
I'm
filled.
longing it there. $180 for my profit.
Order filled.
And we've touched that. Beautiful. Elite Challenge is the challenge accounts, but all the other three are instant funded. And the ones that I talk about in the video, or the new accounts, are the Ignite accounts that are very cheap. Instant funded. The Elite Challenge is challenge accounts. They're not instant funding. We're about to trade our Savius accounts too. But I'm just waiting a little bit here, guys, because I'm making some more on my Ticktick.
Order filled.
Going for a little higher target there. Might be risky on my entry, to be honest with you, but let's see, guys. Come on, keep pushing. You want to tweak that wick. We were so close. You know, it's very risky here. Very risky. But I got good buffer in my account. If I get into a 30 points drop, look at this. This is not looking good. Nah. Let's see what we can do with this candle here. How aggressively is this one? Pushing. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm bringing my take profit higher.
Order
Adding
filled.
a little more to this, guys. We're sitting on 4 contracts here at the top. Come on. I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful. 2,195. Great. We're going to run some fireworks for this. Should have received this candlestick earlier, right? Instead of that red, should have gotten this one earlier. That's when I expected it. Boom. They made an additional one and then delivered what I expected. These guys are lovely folks, right? Thank you, guys. Yes, equity stability score is different, guys. You have to see the video that I have about equity stability score. It's different than consistency.
Order filled.
195 for my exit right there. Keep going, buddy. Playing with the knife here at the top.
Order filled.
Target has been touched. Beautiful. 2,375. So from 1,500, we managed to make almost another $1,000 by tweaking this one. You know, we're trading all-time high here. Everything's easy until you get 40, 50 points down. And if you get caught into that, you feel the pain. Trying to avoid it.
Order filled.
195 once again. Testing it out. We got some good buffer here. If it's no longer working, not an issue. It's dangerous here, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
2,540. That's enough, guys. Another round of fireworks. Let me just set myself out of this because I'm over trading already. 2,540. I've locked myself out. That's enough. We got $4,000 in the balance. Above the initial entry. Above the initial balance. So that means we're going to have $4,000 max loss. And we got 3 points. So we're building from here. And we're celebrating. Time to run the fireworks. Hey. What a lovely day. Good. Let me see if I can do something on my Savius accounts for the top for Quantower, but it's quite hard to trade here at the top, guys. It's quite hard. Gold is pumping, NQ is pumping. Cryptos are not. They don't want to pump. They're waiting for the FOMC. Testing out a little short here, guys. Do we get like... Can we get 20 points down or no? Or I'm mad? What do you guys think about? Am I mad? Let me see if I can make some money here with the shorts. Because this is a level I might be able to have 15, 20 points down. Let's see. Like, obviously, it's the hardest things when you get all-time high and you continuously pump to make money out of shorts. But I'm giving it a try here on this Quantower Savius accounts, no issue. I'm not feeling pressured. We got tremendous numbers today. So I'm not feeling pressured. And I think that looks like a good opportunity. Come on. If we don't have the strength I'm going to get out of this. This is the platform Quantower for the Savius. Giveaway starts soon, guys. Come on. Let's make some money here in the short. Stop loss on break even. Limit order down here. Look at that, guys. I'm waiting. They gotta deliver, right? 20 points down. Come on. You want to squeeze the boys. Squeeze them out. Stop loss and break even and a good target. We want to make some money from shorts too. Let's try. Slow bleeding, right? That's what it needs. I'm not touching this yet. Should I get the fireworks ready, guys? What do you think about? Should I get them ready? Just a little lower. I got you prepared. Might see some bouncing on the 200s. Yeah. Whole profit disappears. Markets are wild to the upside. We're gonna get break even. And we got break even. We made $28. Look at the buying pressure there, guys. No time. No time to get out. And we needed extra couple of points, so we made 28 bucks. $12 in fees, 28 bucks secured, you know. We're going to fireworks, we're going to the giveaway show, which starts very, very soon, guys. We got the profits pretty much everywhere, so hey, look at that. Look at that, guys. We got something new on the screen. Let me close my limit order. There's a limit order sitting there on Quantower. You cannot copy your Ticktick with Savius. Hey. Let's go, guys. Listen to me, guys, what you gotta do. So how to participate. Like the video. Be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Having a great time daily as today. I traded Savius with Quantower. You have all the affiliate links and everything needed in the description. And the third thing is join Discord. This is what you gotta do to be able to win and participate. Let me know your number, guys. You can start. Come on, let's go. Let me know your numbers. There you go. Keep going, everyone. Let me know your numbers. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. Only one guess per person. So, this is a $25,000 Tap 1 futures account. Simpro. That's what's going to happen today. There you go. That's the end. No more guesses. No more guesses. That's the end. Stop it. That's the end, everyone. We're going to shuffle this a few times and we're good to go. Good luck, guys. One more time. Boom. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have one more. This is a $25,000 Top 1 Futures Sim Pro account. Winners, you got to reach out to me on Discord. We got a double 4. We're not going to stop there. I see that blue number 4 and the green number 3 are going to... I think it's going to be one of that. It's going to be the green number 3, guys. That's going to be the green number 3. There you go. There you go. And we got the winner for the green number 3. Congratulations. Let's take it to the duck race. We gotta log into the account. This is a premium version of the duck race. Come on. Otherwise, they're not letting us do it as we have to do it. And we got the list from the Badger. 53 winners. Wow. That's crazy. We got a lot of the people on the list today. 53 winners. 2% chance for you to win. Whether you believe it or not, you have the same chances like all the other fellas out there. A lot. A lot. Oh my god. Most of you guys got 2. Like 30% of the stream got into number 3. Might be some bots between, but we're gonna eliminate them, take them out. Mac. Who's going for the prize? 25,000 Sim Pro account for the Top 1 Futures. Yeah. About 30%. At some point we were 145 on the stream. And people come and leave, so I see the live stats. 5 seconds to go. Someone is speeding up. Kylie. There you go. There you go. Congratulations. There you go. Congrats. Congratulations out there. Beautiful. You've been doing a great job. We're continuing with the second giveaway. Get ready, guys, for the second giveaway. Let me just take this off. Give me a moment. So, for those of you that joined recently, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. These are the conditions. Good luck, everyone. Start. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Let me know your numbers. You can start. You want to guess their number between 0 and 5. Only one guess per person. No multiple times, no multiple accounts. And there you go, no more guesses. It's over, guys, no more guesses, that's it. It's enough. Let's go and shuffle this 2 more times, and here we are. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Is that going to be the double 5 we got there? I think so, guys. That's going to be the number 5. I'm telling you, we're not crossing that. We're not moving on. That's going to be the number 5. It's going to be the green one. There you go. Congrats, winners. You got the number 5. This is the most enjoyed number. I think we're going to have at least 40. This is the most enjoyed number right there, number 5. Congratulations, folks. Beautiful. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck. 30 winners. Wow. That's not much at all, right? Out of 140, 30. So there's no buts, guys. Come on. They went away. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Only 30 guys on the list from 140s. There you go. 3 chance. 3%. 3% chance of winning. And number 5 used to be really enjoyed. Let's go. Come on. Whack, whack. Indeed. $1 billion trader is speeding right now. But that's not the best choice. You gotta do it when there's 5 seconds left. Come on, 10 seconds. Who's gonna stand up, guys? Keep going. Hey, Amen. There you go. But we got a green boy here, Shivam. Oh, no. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Hey, congratulations out there. Enjoy. You got a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. And here we are. Straight to Funded Plus reached out to me on Discord. Have a lovely day, guys. We had a good trading today. Certainly good trading. We had a pretty profitable day across the board. Top 1 futures. We're full profit on 8 accounts. Ticktick Trader, 5 of them. Got to a good profit. Really good one. 2,500s. We managed to build a nice buffer. The other 5 accounts got to the daily loss. Not an issue. Beautiful. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Have a beautiful time. Careful with the prices. Careful with everything. We'll talk to you soon.